Hi everyone, I'm Vipra Mehta, your Miss Cosmo India 2025, and today I'm shooting with the amazing Kavita Kharayat, and we are working on my pageant walk from my swimwear to my evening gown for Miss Cosmo, and I'm looking forward to it.
Hi Vipra, how are you? So good to
Hi
see
Kavita, how are you?
you. I'm super excited for this session with you, sweetheart, and looking forward for this amazing shoot for your swimwear and evening gown.
Yes.
So sweet. So Vipra, first we're going to start with your swimwear walk. Swimwear walk is very important because how you hold yourself. Make sure your posture is uptight, feel an invisible string you, and stay tall. Don't drop the posture at all. And when you pose, Vipra, very important is show the poses properly. Don't be in a rush to shift the poses too fast.
Okay.
Control eye contact with the jury and with the audience.
Okay.
It's very important to have a sexy look, but not too much of smile, attitude, along with the smile, and your eyes should, speak. So we walk all the way front. Let's start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Shift the weight. Shift the weight. Angle it. Give me the position. Come frontal. Twirl and keep walking. Lovely. Your smile is very, very important. It's about contacting with the audience, eye contact, and you're just not smiling. You're feeling it. So each smile, each time you smile, you have to feel it. Without feeling, it will not come. So do not just smile because you have to smile. Feel the smile, connect, feel the vibe. That's the only way that you will be able to look natural, not over dramatic. So keep that beautiful smile. Lovely, love the attitude, very nice. Evening gown walk is very, very important because that decides if you're gonna make it or not. Well, it's not only about wearing the attitude. You have to make sure that you wear the attitude along with the gown. So gown is graceful, elegant. You're already a queen. Imagine you're wearing a crown and you're walking the ramp. The posture is right. The attitude is right. It is not over dramatic smile. It is eye contacting with the smile. Your eyes should speak. And very, very important is the way you look at the audience and the jury. So when you stop, you're holding the pose. Make sure you look at the audience, you connect, and you look at the jury. That doesn't mean you shift your vision like this. Make sure it is strong. Make sure it is bold, make sure it's elegant, and make sure it's graceful. Oh my God, look at you, Vipra. You look so stunning in gown.
Thank you so much.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it. Did you like it?
I love it. This color looks so beautiful on you, Vipra.
It's the same color of my crown, so just benefit.
Just opening, interesting. Okay, Vipra, now we are going into the gown walk. So very, very important when you wear a gown, you're not just wearing the attire, you're wearing the emotion also that attached. So it's just not walking like how you walked in a swimming costume, strong energy. It's more elegant, it's more dramatic, and each step you have to own it. It is not going very fast, it is not going very slow. You have to be in sync with the music, which is very, very important. And on the stage, you are a queen. Let them see you, how stunning you are with the gown and the walk.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's go for it. Look at the audience, left side audience, right side audience. Now straight at the jury. Right hand on your waist, elbow out, lovely. Strike a pose. Take a step in front, continue walking. Beautiful. Stop here. Take a step from front and continue walking. Lovely. Keep walking straight. Slowly, gradually enjoy your each step. Give me the half turn. Strike a pose. Turn. Continue walking. Give me the circle and exit. Oh my God, Vipra, you did fabulous, sweetheart. You know, from your swimwear walk to your gown wear. I'm so proud. Just make sure that you remember, and you are a queen.
Well, I must say thank you so much, Kavita, for everything you did. Your expertise were like a life-changing lessons for me. So I will use everything on this global platform. So I'm looking forward to do everything
You're
you have taught
fab,
me.
you're fab, and you're gonna do awesome. I wish you all the best. And shine on and own the stage, sweetheart.
Yes.
Good luck.
Just like you.
You'll do fabulous. Woo! Thank you. Vipra, sweetheart, I wish you all the best. You have done beautifully and you have understood each and every step that you have to take on stage, whether it is your swimwear or a gown. I wish you all the best, sweetheart. Stage is all set for you.